What's up guys, Blacked Out 4x4 here. Welcome back to another one. We're taking the truck out to get it detailed today. I thought I'll take you guys along with me. We're gonna take this truck and we are gonna head over to a detailing place where they are gonna clean the exterior and the interior, especially after this long winter. It's been brutal, so let's get going. All right, keeping my social distance over here. We are finally at Kazmi's car detailing. They are a mobile car detailing service company.
We're going to be doing a full diamond level detailing on the outside and inside, which is the highest level that we have. We are going to be also doing any salt removal, seat shampooing, window polish, door polish, glass cleaning, anything we need to make this truck look brand new.
All right, and it's done. I love it. It looks great. It was way overdue.
We are Kazmi Car Detailing. You can find us on Google, anything Instagram, Facebook. You can call us at 647-394-0208. And until June, we are running a special promotion. Use the code BLACKED when you book with us and you will get a 10% discount.
We're giving a discount code with this video. Discount code is BLACKED, BLACKED, and you'll get a 10%?
Yep.
You'll get a 10% discount. If you guys like what you saw today, do give me a thumbs up. You know where the subscribe button is. Please smash it, tap it, click on it, whatever you can to show your support. And until next time, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.